Excuse me, have you got the meow?
You what?
Have you got the meow?
You've been taking drugs?
Have you been
It
serious?
looks like, yeah. I think you've been taking drugs.
Mike, can you tell by my eyes?
What?
Can you tell by my eyes?
No, the spots you have there. And it's wrong for you to film me. I can call the police.
I'm not filming.
Understand? I can call the police, and I will do.
Basically what we're going to be doing today, yeah, is this. Alright, now, go.
Let's go in. Just hit. Can I have 1,000,003 donuts?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, how much is it?
You have the prices over there. Outside.
Alright. So a 10 is a fiver. How much would it be for 1,000,000? No! Go. Do it again, do it again. Do it loud. Turn around and do it, turn around and do it. Turn around. Jack, do it. Loud, loud. Jack, turn around and go.
Alright, excuse me. Do you need a hand?
New voice box.
And again, and again.
What are you doing?
I've been it.
For me? What?
I've got that very respect towards people, yeah?
Yeah, we're joking.
Matter. How would you like to do somebody who's come roaring up behind you? Fuck it, innit?
Do it again. And again. And again, do it. Wow! Sound like a cat.
What are you doing, man?
What are you doing?
You know, that I can pay 35 quid.
Let me take over. I got you. Okay.
Excuse me, have you got them?
Sorry, I'm busy. Sorry.
Mind if I took a picture with you?
Why?
For a social experiment.
Social experiment?
Yeah.
For what?
For anything.
Go on then, that's fine.
YOLO.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. It's on the 10-second timer.
Oh, is it really? So where are you from?
This, it's gone. I am from Cardiff.
Cardiff itself, are you?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Thanks.
That's no problem.